Many thanks for joining us again on the newsroom. I am Mary Kanu. After months of postponement, a United States court in Los Angeles, California, has sentenced international fraudster Ramon Abbas, popularly known as Hush Puppy, to over 11 years in federal prison. The U.S. District Judge Otis D. Wright II ordered the 40-year-old convict to pay over $1.7 million in restitution to two fraud victims. The judge said Hush Puppy conspired to launder tens of millions of dollars through online scams and flaunted his luxurious, crime-funded lifestyle on social media. The Academic Staff Union of Universities, ASU, has slammed the federal government over the payment of half salaries to lecturers in October. In a statement on Tuesday by ASU President Emmanuel Osodeke, the union condemned the pro-rata payments to its members and accused the government of an attempt to reduce Nigerian scholars to casual workers. ASU had on October 14, 2022, called off its 8-month strike after the National Industrial Court ordered the lecturers to resume. And 5 girls have regained their freedom in Zamfara 7 months after being kidnapped by bandits in the northwestern state. Upon their release, the victims met with the Zamfara State Governor Bello Matawale, where they were received at the government house in Gusau on Monday. It is not exactly clear when they regained their freedom or if any ransom was paid to facilitate their release. Global air travel continued its recovery from the pandemic in September as passenger traffic surged 57% compared with 2021 Trade Association figures have shown. Meanwhile, data from the International Air Transport Association has also shown that passenger traffic reached 74% of pre-pandemic levels in September as people rushed back to travel following the lifting of COVID-19 restrictions. In business, the management of Arik Air has advised the public to be wary of unscrupulous elements parading themselves as representatives of the airline. This is according to a statement by management of the airline which was released on Monday. According to the airline, the fraudsters are duping unsuspecting customers seeking to buy or modify the airline's ticket. Uganda's Minister of Education, Janet Kataha Museveni, on Tuesday said the government would shorten the school term by 2 weeks to reduce daily contact among students and help curb the spread of Ebola. Authorities have been struggling to contain the highly infectious and deadly hemorrhagic fever since the epidemic spilled into the capital Kampala, home to around 2 million people. As of Monday, the country had recorded a total of 135 confirmed cases and 53 deaths, according to the Health Ministry. And sports president of the Nigeria Football Federation, Ibrahim Gusau, has provided the federation's corporate partners and sponsors with strong assurance that the new NFF administration will put their monies to judicious use in developing the game of football in Nigeria to the benefit of all stakeholders. At warm and insightful interactions with a number of the partners and sponsors in Lagos, the NFF Supremo, in company with stakeholders, expressed heartfelt appreciation to the frontline corporates and appealed for even greater support for the Nigeria game at this time. That's the latest from a newsroom. Many thanks for watching. I am Mary Kanu.